Okay, so here we are walking into Disney's Art of Animation Resort. The video is a little jumpy. I had it on the wrong setting on a new gimbal, so hang in there and it'll self-correct itself. As you walk through the lobby, you're going to see all of this, in fact, all throughout the resort, it's kind of the theme of the resort, is all of this hand-drawn original animation by the Disney animators for characters in the movie. As you're walking around through the main building, you'll see here the main pool. What's kind of cool about this pool is that you can actually hear music underwater. They somehow play music underwater. So today we're looking at one of the suites. This is the Nemo suite in Art of Animation Resort. What's different about suites is that there are actual hallways instead of the door opening up from the outside. You do walk down a hallway, as you'll see here, in the suite rooms. This is suite 5626, that is not on the 5th floor. As you walk in, you're going to see the typical pull-down bed, one bedroom. You have a pull-out couch. We were on the Hourglass Lake side, the Hourglass Lake underneath the Skyliner. There's really tons of theming in here. You've got the Amazon, the Mickey Alexa there, little coral lamps and the fish from Nemo. You have a little kitchenette in the corner with a microwave and a refrigerator. Pull down bed. The suite has 2 bathrooms. They're decent sized bathrooms. This is a pretty small one. There is a second one. There is only one tub. If you have little kids, that may be an issue. The other you'll see is a stand-up tub. This one has a handicap rail. You'll see the all too familiar H2O products, now Disney Resort rethemed. You're gonna see here, this is the typical pull-down table bed, little side table here. This is the 1 bedroom, queen size bed. This is the bigger bathroom, but you see it's not a tub, it's a stand-up shower. Otherwise a very typical bathroom. You have a little dresser, you have a TV in here. Are you gonna go get a pina colada? A pina colada you can't stomach?
You want my hat?
Hey Gabby, this isn't as blue as it was before. Like some of it's blue, but there's a lot of
Huh?
Good day?
Hi, vlog. I dropped my chip.
We're at Art of Animation Studios. No, we're not. We're at Art. This isn't no, but this isn't a studio.
Art of Animation Hotel.
Right. Resort
And spa.
And here's the always very noisy sort of eatery. There are a number of different booths that have pretty typical stuff: hamburgers, pizza, chicken fingers, and self-serve drinks. And so this also is very, very themed. You'll find the entire resort is themed, which is very similar to the, All-Star resorts and the Pop Century Resort. They really do go all out on these.
Maybe it won't be set. Maybe you'll be like, this is the guy the contract.
Okay, and this is walking toward the Skyliner. This is just about at sundown. That is Pop Century Resort right on the other side of Hourglass Lake. That's Hourglass Lake. And the Skyliner is up here on your left. This is coming back from the Skyliner, so this is the same bridge. It's Hourglass Lake at night. This is coming back at night from Epcot after the fireworks. I mean, you really get a sense of the theming. This is all the Nemo section, but you'll see there's a Radiator Springs one, a Lion King one. It's truly themed through the roof here. this is a view from the parking lot. This is as you drive into the resort at Art of Animation. You see here, every night they have movies that are playing on the grass. It's really a fun thing to do if you have time to do it. You're not staying at the parks to sit and just sort of watch a movie. And that's the Art of Animation resort. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to help the channel. If you would like to see what Slinky Dog Dash looks like at night, watch this video next.